How to delete HoYoverse account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your HoYoverse account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our HoYoverse account, what you have to do is first of all just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you simply want to go to account.hoyoverse.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Just go to account.hoyoverse.com and then you want to make sure to sign into your HoYoverse account, and you'll basically see this type of interface over here. Now what you have to do is, in order to delete our account, on the left hand side you want to switch to the tab that says account security settings, and then once you go to the option called account security settings, here you'll find all of these options, right? Well, you basically want to scroll down until you find the option called request account deletion. So right at the bottom you'll find delete account, requesting account deletion button. You just want to click on this button that says request account deletion. As you do that, now in my case the security of your account and property is actually important to us. As such, be reminded that you have changed your password, modified information, or conducted other sensitive operations within the last 30 days. As such, to prevent risk to your account such as theft or banning, your account cannot be deleted at present. Now in my case, what this is basically telling me is that if you have changed your password, made any changes to your account like changing your email address, username in the past 30 days, for security reasons you have to wait until 30 days after that in order to delete your account. Now because in my case I just recently happened to change my password for tutorial purposes, I'm not being able to delete my account, but you can absolutely do that if you have not actually conducted any type of account activities inside of your HoYoverse account. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then delete your HoYoverse account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.